Hey everybody, Travis Holzem with Food Foret Design Solutions, coming to you from Roberts, Wisconsin. Finishing up my day today, and I thought I was going to finish today, but I didn't. So tomorrow I got to come back out and mulch all the trees and the fruit tree guilds. Basically today I moved 9 cubic yards of soil, and I created 6 12-foot diameter fruit tree guilds with sheet mulch, so cardboard circles, 12-foot circles with soil on top, and then we're gonna mulch it all tomorrow, and then I'm gonna plant it out. The fruit trees are planted, but I'm gonna turn you around and show you everything that's in the ground now and what I have left. So here we go. Here's the first little tree I put in, a little white pine. That's all by itself. Here we have a sunflower wall. It's going to be a sunflower wall. I planted 20 plants, and then tomorrow I'm going to seed this. I'm going to put more mulch on top, and I'm going to seed it with about 5,000 sunflower seeds. And it's going to be a wall of sunflowers. Here we have chokeberry, 4 chokeberries. Now we're coming up on the hazelnut trees, a couple of hazelnuts, or 3 hazelnuts. And now we have a butternut coming up here. There's a butternut and another butternut. And tomorrow they will be all mulched up. It looked great for a storm coming in yesterday. This is another hazelnut and hazelnut here. And then there's some oak trees in these little piles of grass. And then we got this line of trees. We got spruce and hybrid poplar, spruce, hybrid poplar, and we got another spruce and hybrid poplar. You know what? I'm wrong. That is a autumn blaze maple. Spruce. I'm going to straighten that guy. And another autumn blaze maple again. And spruce, poplar, spruce, poplar. And then in here we got 4 red maples. You can see them in here. And eventually there's going to be a pond in the middle here. And then we have 3 river birch. There's a river birch there, and a river birch there. Another spruce. And now we're going to walk on this side. And we put 3 trees in over here. A spruce, 2 spruce, and a white pine over here. And you can see them setting up the watering for them. They need some water. So we got those there. And I'll show you what I did today. It's a lot of walking. And here's the fruit tree guilds. These I got here at 9:30, and it took me this long. I just finished 15 minutes ago. I had a little break in between, but all day long. So these are all going to be covered in mulch tomorrow. But now they got soil, they got cardboard underneath, soil, and then they'll be mulched, heavily mulched, and then I'm going to plant wild strawberry, clover, chives. I'm going to put some nasturtium in a couple of them, and comfrey is going to be in every one of them, and yarrow is going to be in every one of them. So we're going to have a nice ecosystem for each one of these fruit trees. That's going to help them. They're all going to help each other grow. And I will be back tomorrow morning to finish this off. Should only take me about 3-4 hours, maybe, to do all of these trees and these. Figure each one of these is going to take 4 loads. But working with mulch is a lot easier than working with soil. The soil gets heavy after a while. I moved 9 yards by myself. But anyway, that's what we got today. And heading home. I don't even know what time it is. But heading home. It's Friday night. And if you want to transform your backyard or your property into a regenerative, food producing Garden of Eden, contact me and let's get the yard of your dream designed, and we can get those trees in before the ground freezes. This is the best time to plant trees, is in the fall, and especially after once these trees go dormant, you can still put them in the ground until the ground completely freezes. I worked up till Thanksgiving last year and the year before. So we can get these trees in the ground. It's not too late. End of the summer is great, plus trees are less expensive at the end of the summer. Everyone's trying to get rid of their inventory, so it'll save you money there too. But contact me, Food Foret Design Solutions. Hit the free consultation button or contact button, or get a hold of Travis at foodforestabundance.com, and let's get you started. Grow food, not lawns, my friends. Have an amazing weekend. See you.